Chapter 9, Lesson 1 is on bar graphs, and dot plots. Bar graphs shows number of items in a category. And dot plots shows frequency, with a number line. Example number 1. What percent of those surveyed chose country and opera? First, you need to look at the bar graph and identify the items in each category. You can write that above the bar, which will be helpful to you later. Country, you can see halfway between 14 and 16 is 15. Jazz is at 12. Opera is at 10. And rock is at 18. There were a total of 55 people that were surveyed to make this bar graph. If you want to know what percent of the surveyed chose country and opera, add 15 plus 10, which is equal to 25. 25 out of 55. 55. Which does simplify by top and bottom by 5 to give you 5 over 11. 5/11ths can be changed into a percent by setting it equal to x over 100. That's a proportion, so you'll use your cross products. 11x equal 500, and then divide both sides by 11. If you'll pause the video, you will be able to figure out what x is by dividing 11 into 500. That is correct. It comes out to be 45, and the 45 repeats 45%. If you were going to change that to the nearest whole percent, the 4 would tell that 5 to stay. 45%. 45% of the people surveyed chose country and opera. Second question, what percent of the total number of weeks are 16 or greater? You're looking at a dot plot there that illustrates the number of hours worked. And then it has dots above the numbers that are what we would consider the hours worked. What percent of the total number of weeks are 16 or greater? Could be marked off right here. You can tell that that's 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of the 12 weeks. 2/12 does simplify by 2, top and bottom, to give you 1/6. 1/6 as a percent, so that equal to 100, x over 100. To set up your proportion, 6x equal, and that is right. 1 times 100 is 100. And divide by 6, top and bottom. X is equal to 100 divided by 6. Pause the video and do the math. You should have come up with 16.6 repeating percent. And what does the 6 tell the other 6 to do? That is correct, 17%. So you can say 17% of the total number of weeks are 16 or greater hours that were worked. 17%.